Hello, welcome to another episode of Application Alley. My name's Joel, and today we're taking a break from the alley to hike the Application Trail. So today I'm going to apply some stickers to promote my hiking club. I'm going to show you how to apply a variety of different stickers. Big, small, different sizes, different shapes, so that way you know how to sticker up your gear. Let's talk about transfer stickers. Transfer stickers are stickers that don't have a background. They're available in two options, multicolor and single color. The single color is available in over 60 different material types, making it easy to find something to match your branding, and they're great for personalization. I'm gonna go ahead and personalize my coffee cup because nobody touches my coffee when I go camping. Okay, so transfer stickers are basically individual stickers that are all held together with a layer of transfer tape. So what we're gonna do is peel the transfer tape back and the stickers are gonna stick to that tape. Then I'm gonna apply it, remove the transfer tape, and the individual stickers will stay in place on the surface. A quick tip, using a squeegee or a credit card beforehand really helps it adhere to the transfer tape. You can buy these at carstickers.com or just use a credit card. So this specific sticker is called vinyl lettering. It is a transfer sticker, but because it's just text, we call it vinyl lettering. Lettering made out of vinyl. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and place it exactly where I want. Like that. Tear it down, and then go back over like that. And then really rub the vinyl down so that it adheres to the coffee cup. Looking at this sticker design, I know that if I peel this way, it's got a lot of options to kind of stick onto the transfer tape. And I know that this material is powder coated, so it's kind of tricky. I would recommend going the opposite way. And by doing that, it kind of limits the chance you have of it sticking to the transfer tape. You do want to give it some time to adhere as well. And also kind of peeling it off at an angle helps. All right, perfect. And now I am ready for my coffee. Applying transfer stickers to flat surfaces is even easier. This one has a little bit of a curve to it, but as long as we've got nice contact, the vinyl with the surface, again, peeling away at a 45-degree angle really helps everything stick. Perfection. I've gone ahead and measured and taped the sticker where I'd like it so that the placement is correct. But now, if you can see there's some bubbles. Sometimes over time, the transfer tape can separate from the backing. So a quick way to fix that is to just kind of peel it back like this, making sure that it kind of catches everything past the point of the bubble and then laying it back down. That way, we don't have the bubble. Squeegee can help as well. If you don't have a squeegee, you can use a credit card. But essentially what we're gonna do is the same thing. We're going to fold it here, peel it away from the backing, like so. I've taped it so that it's in between stickers, so the tape isn't holding half a sticker down. And then I'm going to go in here and just cut the backing away. And then I'm going to use a squeegee or a credit card, anything with a flat surface, to just kind of make sure that that goes down nice and even, like this. The transfer tape will keep the sticker in place. I can remove the masking tape. Now I'm going to use a squeegee to just kind of help lay everything down. Keep it nice and straight. Using a squeegee to make sure that the vinyl stickers stay on the surface. Typically we recommend that you wait like a day before peeling off the transfer tape, just to make sure that the adhesive adheres, so that way when you peel it, the sticker stays on the window and doesn't peel off. So I'm gonna go ahead and just peel this. If you peel at a 45-degree angle, it tends to make it a little bit easier. There you go. One tip for applying large die cut stickers is applying a piece of masking tape vertically about halfway down. That way you can peel the sticker back halfway, remove the sticker from the backing like this, and then using some scissors, sorry, my finger's got a cramp in it, just like that, then you can lay it back down and slowly apply it like this, which helps keep the sticker in place. Then you just remove the masking tape. Take that, peel it back, and then kind of keep it. No rush, just go ahead and take your time. Make sure you're going slowly to make sure that there's no bubbles. One of the great things about the vinyl that we use at carstickers.com is that even if there is a bubble, we've got these tiny channels in the backing of the vinyl, which allows air to escape. So if there is a bubble, you can just kind of massage it a little bit, and over time, the bubble will disappear. All of our printed stickers come with a free layer of either matte or gloss lamination, which is great because it keeps them waterproof, protects them against the elephants. Watch out for elephants. The stickers are really easy to apply. Standard sticker, you just go ahead and use your fingertip and kind of peel the edge back, just like that. Peel it away and apply it. We also offer a slit backing option, which allows you to crack and peel the backing away from the sticker. If you order a Kiss Cut sticker, that's going to add a border around the edge so that way it's a little bit easier to peel from the front, and it's really good for designs that have intricate edges. No matter which option you choose, all the stickers look the same. It's easy to sticker slap, peel and stick, sticker bomb, whatever you want to call it. Printed stickers are easy to apply. Sometimes we do get questions about applying on a rounded surface, but that's easy too. Let me show you. We'll just go ahead, peel the sticker away from the backing. The way I like to do it is kind of put it on one edge like this, and then easy. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video showed you how easy it is to apply both transfer and printed stickers. And remember, sticker slap responsibly. I'll see you next time at Application Alley.